Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a killer 1970 Ford F100. This is a completely restored Restomod pickup truck and killer. Buddy of mine, Scott's the one that found me this. Matter of fact, he's been pestering me. Have you driven it? Have you driven it? Scott, I just drove it, and you are right. This thing is a baby doll. Runs and drives as sweet as can be, guys. This thing, it was built to drive. For those of you looking for some, I get people who always ask me, can you jump in it and drive it every day? I believe you could jump in this thing and drive it every day. Hits the road awesome. Fatman independent front suspension. Killer color combination. This is Reef Aqua, I think it's called. I love it. You can see it's got 20-inch torque thrust Ds. I love the look, that color with these wheels. He said this truck was just completed. The resto was done just over a year ago. He said there's not very many miles on it. And it is a sweetheart, guys. Gorgeous truck. You can see the chrome and stainless is nice. Bumpers have been replaced. But what really is impressive is the way this thing goes down the road. We have terrible roads here. And this thing doesn't shimmy, doesn't shake. I mean, it rode out excellent. So a little touch-up mark there. There's not a whole lot you can really nitpick on it. Love this. This is that color-matched Rhino lined bed. Beautiful truck, man. I've got the building full right now. We've been very lucky. We have bought some nice stuff. Great stance on this truck. It's got a the complete suspension's been done. It's got C-notch frame, lowering springs on the rear. I'll make sure I get all that stuff in the ad. Again, I love the turquoise with those gray American Racing torque thrust Ds. They look good. Front disc brakes. Little touch-up marks there. Look at how killer that truck is. This is a 302 cubic inch engine, Holley 4-barrel, Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake. Does have headers on it. No big monster cam, but it does have a little bit of cam to it. It's automatic overdrive transmission. It's got vintage AC, power steering, power brakes. Got tubular control arms on it. I think it's got adjustable coil-overs on the front. They did a really nice job on this truck, man. Detailed up, really nice. Killer stance. Dual chrome mirrors, new door handles. Yeah, little things popped off there. We'll check in. Look how nice this is in here. Nice and clean, even in the jams. I mean, everywhere you look, this truck is killer. Love this. TMI, custom leather seated. These are very comfortable. They sit really nice. Tilt column with a billet wheel. He's got the stock dash. Showing 28,000. He figured there's probably a couple thousand miles on the Resto. Padded dash, Audiosounds radio. It's got the Lokar shifter. Dual exhaust. It is a 9-inch rear axle. Again, it's got a complete lowering suspension on it. Nice truck. I don't get a lot of these, man. I get a few of the Chevys. I do not get a lot of the Fords in the 70s. You just don't see many of them. Very nice underneath. Turn the key, take the truck right to a show. Slick paint. New fuel tank. Everything in here is really nice. Billet rear view mirror, new carpet. Air blows cold. A little bit of cam, nothing crazy, but I mean, I'll tell you, it runs out awesome. Good sound. Fuel gauge works, temp gauge works, radio in there works. Everything opens and closes really nice. That is a gorgeous truck, man. Radio works, blower motor in there works. Like I say, everything opens and closes nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. What a gorgeous truck.
Have a great day, guys.